If America do them own certain things, bro, imagine you were going to them country. Squash lucky the man them then come broke him up. You see me? Cause bro G, let me show you a thing, bro. You see government badness, no make no man trick you. You no care how much gun him have, him no better than the government, bro. Let me tell you that. Government badness real. Government badness they all bout, bro. Every country have government badness. No man no better than the authorities them, bro. Him a go at least a 15 years then say him a get. The man them say a 15 year. The least squash I get. The government has the biggest gang. Yeah, bro. So you can't bother than them. A thousands them have, you know. Millions. Cause you not check your army. Bro G, you can't go up against the government, then outnumber you. But what me I say guys, why all the time Jamaican go far and go make it bad for other Jamaican? When me want go far, how me I go? Bro, you see who we go before, bro G? Una cry. I tell you the truth. Majority, not all, you know, but majority of una are crosses. No, are crosses. No, are crosses. No, Georgie. And you go over there, one bag of bad man is him. You go over there, roll like y'all, straight and know say you're not straight in our people in country. Enough Jamaican can't make enough come up there. A real can't make enough come up there. A real yeah can't make enough come up there. A real yeah can't make enough come up there. A real yeah even days with him she ain't make sense bro you and your life with bro them I play about squash and Irish squash has played in America. Let me tell you what me do it both. I'm so bigger than squash. Nobody don't know squash. The world know about you. And look what the man them do with Bojo. If you want look about all a coke. And look about a white lady. And look what the man them do with Bojo. So imagine squash. Yo man them a go rub out squash, bro. Man them a go rub out squash. Tell you that. Squash should have just low out badness over there cause you can't go America and do same thing. Bro, let me tell you this. People, you see Jamaican, especially one them we have look of money, riding go foreign and go get catch with gun and in front of you take a fall. Bro, I be things bro G the man them go over there go on with bro. With the man them a go foreign and roll suffer bro. Now at this thing, the man them want all do the thing bro. Them give them a inch, them take a yard. Alright, the man them say you can have a look one firearm for defend yourself. And you're not supposed to have a high power one them. And the high power one them a man them want. That means say the illegal way man them just love bro. Man them not have nothing to do with legal way bro G. Cause squash a big artist. Squash no could hire some security around him bro. Eh? Be a waste man them man a par with bro G. See one of the man friend dead with you when name Hellgates. Him lay to rest. And me know in the right of Hellgates right now. A burn like a pepper. No, pepper too soft. He's burning like lava. Right at Hellgates. Same Hellgates him name and a same Hellgates him go. You understand? And where squash gone? Prison. And a lucky bro G. And the man them a go dip your ass cause guess what now? You no know yourself bro. Man, them a go dip your father. Because you don't know yourself, bro, G. Guy man, them country gonna keep up be a slackness. The other day, you saw in time squash just get locked up. Me name did a talk the way how me a talk, you know. As me I say, boy, then can give him a chance and this and that, even though it would have been the second chance. But hold on, guys. Alright, even though it would have been the second chance, but when we really look on it, he not deserve a chance because this man and not stop the foolishness. This man and not stop the foolishness in a TikTok. Look a while when time I see when me see the thing about him, look a while, me shock. Me say me oh, me have to come back live cause me want to say them things yeah, bro. To the rest of upcoming artists them, if you not take up badness at this hour on faith. Right now, Vibes Cartel, the man them a tell Vibes Cartel if sing bad man song. The waste man them and Cartel tell them straight say, yo, me nah sing no bad man song. If you want to listen to bad man song, listen to two old Cartel. Me nah sing no bad man song. Me did think I'm an artist did straight from God no. Me rate Vibes Cartel when tell them waste man them man, but they want bad man song. Move from here, man. You want to be bad man, you know, go take out your gun man and go shoot off a police. Why you want me sing badness to you for? Go and go do your badness, man. You need no song for go do your badness. Enough of them a boy you wanna see. I go on like they tough, they not tough. Cause if they not bad behind gun, they not bad none at all, bro. Believe me when me tell you that. A gun make them a man that say them bad. In a real life, they never would have win a fight, bro. You thump in the whole of them face. And then can't help themselves. So them man are no bad man. Alright, watch this now. Them man are bad, you know, when time something there. What them call it? When the FBI them circle for him, why him never bad up himself and shoot off a man them like what them do with police out there. Me tell you say, what them do out here, them can't try that a foreign. What them do out here so, them can't try that a foreign, bro. Them afraid. Me tell you that. Some things when me see people, when me see some man go on with a Jamaica, they nah do it a foreign, bro. Them well in a line. So we all me see how them bad up police and go on with police in a Jamaica. If a foreign bro G, the man them beat you no senseless bro. All if you're a girl, you get licked till you see a period. Me tell you that bro. What they can do out here they can't do it in America bro. America serious. Jamaica, Jamaica you can do them the sitting there and get away with it. Bro, when me see the man them a lock up squash, bro, G, squash just comply, bro. Me I say, oh, probably if a Jamaica I might get locked up, probably squash down a bow leg off of me and you know. Guys, and I think yo, squash have you, don't it? Squash have pitney guys. Me ask the chat, me no know. Squash have pitney. I don't know them a man a rich out and still in a waste man life, bro. Him get pitney. So all the man still a live them life, bro. No man not run squash we can tell him say why squash and Labas top link? Labas was a real youth, you know, although I see him look a negative man still, but in all meds. Squash and Labas. Labas should I could have tell Squash or daddy one or one of them could have tell Squash, yo, watch out now, bro. Be laugh how you going with. But probably Squash never want to hear nothing about that. Man mash up in whole career. I know say guys, me not lie you know. Squash got foreign and still Squash got foreign and still up on farm. Boy guys, you are going. Me not lie you know, me want to sleep right now you know, so And I'm morning, me I forgot to talk to me. Me I try hold it, but it not work. Me I try hold it, guys, but it not work. God no. Me I forgot to talk to me in the morning, man. Also, oh, 104. Oh, that's why. Me we talk to me. Guys, just big up on yourself. But Squash, me I go come talk about this in the morning. Still, yeah, cause bro, me not like what me see. And an embarrassment, I wanna make it thing worse for we, bro. You understand? Yeah. That morning me talk to you guys.